Welcome to Best Electronics. Best Electric Drill WOSAI 20 volts. Features. Brand name, WOSAI. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Power source, electricity. Type, rechargeable electric wrench. Weight, 1.85 kilograms. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Max torque, 380 Nm. Is customized, yes. DS applies, metalworking. Dimensions, 17x8x26. Power source, battery. Model number, WS6 Lira. Battery cell type, lithium-ion battery X10. No load speed, 3200 RPM. Special features, power is durable. Visit the description link and get this product from AliExpress. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. And please share this video with your friends and family.